Good morning, good evening. Hi everyone. A quick introduction. We are talking about software called TreeShade. You can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. Go to the website exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud page for the software name. It's totally free and it's an extension for Adobe Creative Cloud, especially Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. In addition to Photoshop and Illustrator. Also, it's a local server because after installing and determining the root folder, you will have a file. This file called main.js execute as a Node.js server. And here I have service. You can use any service you want to connect the local server to the internet. I have connected to a specific domain, to this domain. So the end user, like your customer or marketing team, can remotely fill dynamic forms for the content to generate the design automatically. Okay, in this session we will talk about the main menu of TreeShade in Adobe InDesign. So let's start. After installing TreeShade and restarting Adobe InDesign, from Window menu, select Extensions, then TreeShade to execute the extension. Here, let's open test document. Let's explore together the menu. This command report links, report external links. If you have placed a link, from any location out of the root folder of TreeShade, out of workshop folder, like let's say from desktop or from downloads. Now this command report list the files that out. See here, it's telling you that links out of workshop folder and list the files. Okay, like now we have 3 images. So just listing the files. The second command, reveal the document in Bridge. It's similar to the file here, to the command in file menu, browse in Bridge. to reveal the document file in Adobe Bridge. But this command have a problem, but after upgrading Adobe InDesign to the latest version, it's solved. But this command, the problem with this command, like, let's go back and let's execute again. Browse in Bridge. It revealed the folder, but it's not select the document. But the command I have added to TreeShade menu, reveal the document in Bridge, select the document itself. So if you have long list, the document will be selected. The third command, set dynamic link on selected. This is important command, and it works on the selected link. So you need to select a link, then execute. If you select at first, it will have default phrase. If you click OK, now the link will have relative path to the document. So if you duplicate the project and open, if you duplicate the folder, entire the folder to start a new project and open the InDesign document, the link will automatically relink to the new copy inside links, not to the old one. So using this command, you don't need to package, to make packaging, especially if you have links relating to the library, not to links. Like if you leave the files in assets folders, structure have logical structure, not a project relating. Let's see in practical example. Now I assign dynamic link to this. So if we go here and select set dynamic link on selected and click OK, leave the same. Now let's save. Do you want to check in? Yes. Let's wait until the PDF file previewed in Adobe Bridge. Now Adobe Bridge will be active and the PDF will be revealed. Okay, in this PDF we have two pages. One, this is the first page, and this the second with the photo. Anyway, now let's make a new copy of test. The best way to copy the folder or file is to use TreeShade command. Pick for change, then go to the new location and select change, then copy here or move here. or you can copy manually, but you need to scan the new folder. So let's select this, pick for change, and then right click on any file or on empty space, and now select change, copy here. I think this will duplicate the files in the same folder, so it's not right. Let's copy the files except this folder, because this is supposed to be hidden, but in Windows it's not. Anyway, select the files inside the folder, right click and select pick for change. But I think now we will have duplicate picking, because we pick for change the folder, and now we want to pick the files. So let's run change and click cancel, just to clear the picking command. Okay, now let's try again. Pick for change, and now let's create new folder, test2, and here let's select change, copy here. Okay, now we have a new copy of the document. What happened? Because the folder have online TSK, the InDesign document automatically triggered to checking in action. So it's automatically checked in, which means to open the document, update the content, export the PDF and the JPG or PNG page, and close the document if it's already closed, if it was closed. So now the document revealed. Now let's check the links. That's what we are testing. This is layout the second or the okay, let's open the layout inside test2 and check the link. Now for this it's from downloads. It's still in downloads, and this also, because we don't move the files to to be inside the document. So let's try again. Let's move to trash test 2. Always execute this command for moving to trash. From TreeShade menu, move to trash. So TreeShade trace the modification. Cancel moving to trash, no. Move the bird folder to trash. This have no meaning if you click yes or no, because the bird folder inside the folder itself. So click no. Okay, now let's try again inside test. Let's delete the first page. Okay, now the links is external from downloads. So if you click here, report external links, it will list all the links out of TreeShade folder, root folder. There is a command here in TreeShade menu for auto importing links. Auto import links. It's a preference option related to the document. So click yes. And here click yes to import to leaf. A folder called leaf. And this have different meaning. If a folder called leaf, then the links automatically moved from folder to folder, so they exist in a shared folder between the documents that use the file. Like if you make an image as an icon, and this image used in different documents in separated folder, the image will be moved automatically to a folder called leaf inside a shared parent for both documents. So here we don't want leaf. Let's click no to import two links. Now TreeShade automatically import all links that out. See here, it's now inside the download. Let's wait. Let's try now. See, it's moved now inside the links, inside the project folder test. Okay. And while the option is checked, auto import links, also if you moved a file from download or from desktop, if you place a new file, it automatically will be moved also from downloads to links. See? Now if we select, it's moved inside links folder. So you can easily place the files from downloads folder and focus on your design while TreeShade automatically move the files to links folder. Okay. Now what we want to test, dynamic links, set dynamic link, this command. Now let's see if this have dynamic link. Set dynamic link on selected. Okay. Now let's save. Do you want to check in? Yes. Wait until the PDF file revealed. Okay, done. And always remember to go back to workshop folder, the editing location, because all these other locations for output. Okay, now you can open the document in, let's close this. Now let's duplicate the folder test to test dynamic link. So let's copy the content. Let's copy the document and links folder, these both. So copy, Control C, and here let's create folder test2, and inside Control V to paste, because we copied the folder manually. You need to scan. For the file, it's scanned already because it's directly inside the current folder. So select the folder links, and from TreeShade menu select scan selected. Okay, that's it. Now let's open layout inside the test2, and let's see the links. Now it's all linked to the old folder inside test, not test2. So let's update record or save the document. Let's save the document. If we save now, the dynamic link take action. Do you want to check in? No. And now let's see if the dynamic link fix the link here. See, now it's related to test2, not test1, but for other it's already to test. So if you want the links to be relative, assign dynamic link the default phrase, because the dynamic link have many functionality and solutions not related to code duplicating folder. Always select the link, set dynamic link on selected and click OK. I think in future to add an option to assign this dynamic link automatically to any link inside the project folder. So no need to assign this dynamic link manually to the files one by one. Of course, you can use in dynamic link many variables related to the context, to the document name, to the paragraph style, to date, seconds, minutes. All these you can use in the path. Okay, let's continue. Load selected link file. This command related to synchronizing the project between the collaborators' computers. And here, update links record. It's update the dynamic links and assign the relation without the need to save the document. And if you select this option, auto update links record, the links record will be updated automatically. It's useful if you want let's see you something here. And let's update record. Update links record. See this have label. This label placed automatically assigned to any photo that is used inside a document. Now if we place a file, let's see, if we place this file here, now it's not updated here. But if you select this option, auto update links record, so now if you remove the file and go again to here, the label will be removed. Remember this related to test folder, not test2, so let's delete. Now let's place this. Let's refresh. I think you need to refresh. Okay. Now if you refresh, the placed links will be marked in green. So you can know any photo that you used or not. Let's delete this and refresh again. or just click F5. Or just select the file and it will be updated. Oh, sometimes it takes seconds to update the record through bridge talk. Okay. And do you know you can use this command from TreeShade menu in Adobe Bridge? Query placing locations. So all the pages that have the file will be revealed in this temporary folder, queries, and have the same relative path to the document in all project files. And these JPG files display the page where you used the link. If you double click the JPG file, the document itself will be opened on the same page. So let's close the document to see that in action. Save, yes. Okay, now see, it's a JPG file. If you double click, the document will be opened on the same page. Okay, that's it. That's enough for this session. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question. Goodbye.